Hey guys, how are you doing today? I'm here at the farm again, doing our regular visit. As usual, it's a Saturday here. This one will probably be posted on Tuesday. By the way, just want to introduce myself for those who are new here. My name is Pia. I was a flight attendant for 10 years, so now I'm a retired flight attendant. Flight attendant po ako sa Middle East. So my husband and I are already back here in the Philippines for good. We're doing a small poultry business. It's a layer business. And ngayon is medyo maputik dito sa farm because of the sunod-sunod na mga bagyo. So marami pa daw bagyo na naka-line up. So hope everything will be okay. I'd like you to see yung daanan namin dito. So ayan siya. So they closed the poultry building because of the strong wind and rain. So just to secure the chicken. So now hopefully they're okay. So far they're good. Hopefully there will be no more rain. And the sun is coming up already. Hopefully it will stop raining. Ooh. And so good thing that they put a canal dito sa poultry business, poultry house, because mahirap pag nabasa yung mga chicken manure, but sometimes you really cannot avoid them. I didn't wear my shoes today because masyadong basa. Until we have to wash our hands. There's no excuse for you not to wash your hands. And I can see some green chicken manure, so I need to see if they're okay. The wind is really very strong. I think you can hear it, right? So there's one here. Or one thing as well, if you see green droppings, could be that they're stressed. Let's go to the first building.
For those who are just new to this channel, our capacity of the poultry for now is about 1,500, but because of some mortalities, we only have 1,400 at this moment. So this one has 1,000 hens, and the other building has about 400.
Sana hindi na umulan, pero meron pa daw paparating ng mga bagyo. Hirap talaga pag ganito always sa farm. Hello! I need to go back now. See? Kakasabi ko lang na sana hindi umulan, and now it's raining again. So I'm gonna go back to the farmhouse. And I'll tell my boys to clean the chicken manure because it's wet and it's bad for the chicken as well.
So on today's vlog, it's going to be a combination of what we did last weekend. So it is very rough road here and very muddy, and we are on our way back to our place. And then by Sunday, which is our family day or our rest day, we decided na manginhas daw mi. I don't know what is nginhas in English. But anyway, this is my husband. So there are a lot of people in the beach because it's low tide. So this one is in Dumaguete, if you're not familiar with our place. So that's our boulevard, and we just have to walk a few meters from the road. It's going to be our first time to do this here in Dumaguete. We usually do this during our rest day in Qatar when we were still working there, and we found one shell. This was actually the plan, to collect shells like this, and yes, we can eat the one inside, but we're still trying to figure out if it's really worth it. So that is the view that you see here. That's the main road. And since our airport is just very close to where we are, so we found this plane landing. Now I'm missing my job, so we're just trying to, you know, observe how this plane lands. And there you go, touchdown. And then after that, we had a very spontaneous plan with my husband. So we decided to have balut. So this is how you eat the balut. There you go.
Grabe ka-asin yung mahurot mo asin naman no. Last.
So this is how we spend our Sundays. Just, you know, very ordinary. And sometimes we invite some friends, and right now my husband is making pizza, and of course you can't have pizza without a glass of wine, so we have to have this one ready as well. So we have our own favorite red wine. It is only very cheap here in the Philippines, and this is what we normally do on a rest day. So we're just making memories out of the ordinary, because I realized that, you know, all these things that we are doing, probably we will miss this one day. It's the only commodity that we have that we can never take back is time. So I'm making as much memories as I can for us to be able to look back one day, especially when we are already old. So right now my husband is already making his pizza dough. So this is how he does it. And did I mention that they have a bakery shop before? So he knows what he's doing. He knows how to make bread and dough. So these are all very easy for him. Also, he loves to be in the kitchen. So most of the time you will find him at the kitchen, and I'm the one doing all the cleaning in the house. So there is a proper designation of workload.
You can smell
So I am not alone in the house because I have someone that can balance my workload.
Did you know?
No, I can't smell it.
You cannot smell it? You have COVID? You have COVID? You have COVID?
Philippine. Sa oven.
Hindi.
Masyadong nagpabilib.
No, nakakugol palingin. Yes.
Ang isa na po gakuan.
So finally the pizza is here. A very simple Hawaiian slash, what is this? Pepperoni pizza. So he made only 3 plates because my other friend is also coming. And while
I guess that would be
we
it
are
for
waiting
tonight.
for them, and I hope to see you again on my next
This is what
vlog.
we did.
Until next time, bye for now.
Ubi!
Nya green. Murot na green oh. Wa pagyapon.
Asa na ka?
Alin na.